Greetings! My name is Nino Castro and this is the Indigo Alchemist. If you are a denim enthusiast and want to learn more about how denim is made nowadays, this is your channel. Make sure to subscribe to be on top of the latest techniques for denim finishes on the market. This video is part of a group of tutorials focused on lazy design for denim. Enough talk, let's get hands-on. In this video, we will learn how to erase perfectly any background. There are many different ways, but I have picked one that will do the trick easily. Let's start with the picture. We want to have a clear composition, where fore and background are perfectly distinguishable. You can check out how to correct your picture from JPEG or RAW in one of my other videos. I'll leave the link in the description. The tool we're going to use today is the Object Selection tool. Find it on the toolbar or pressing W or Shift W to toggle through the other selection tools on this bucket. Make sure when drawing the rectangle to have the entire object inside. Check out the selection. This tool works actually quite well. Let's zoom in and see the detail. The higher the contrast from background to foreground, the more accurate your selection is going to be. However, it seems that most of the time we can't get the edges right. There is always a shadow or a highlight that crosses over to the wrong part of the selection. I will give you some tips to fine-tune your edges like a pro. To fix some bulky mistakes, we can play with the Quick Selection tool. Whenever using any selection tool to correct an existing one, press Shift to add and Option or Alt to subtract from the selection. To use Quick Selection is a little tricky and won't work always as well, but it is the quickest way if the image we use is quite okay. For this kind of details, old school is always the best way. Let's edit this in Quick Mask mode using the brush tool. Use Q to toggle to the mask mode back and forth. In this mode, everything that's not selected is painted red. Use B to call the brush tool. Adjust edges, opacity, and flow to your likings. When applying black, we remove, and with white, we add. Zoom in as much as you like and start removing red color where there should be none, or hide the background if you can still see it. This task is best done with a tablet and a stylus. Let's fast forward this, shall we? Once you're happy how the edges look, you can proceed to the next step and mask. I like to copy the selected layer using Command or Ctrl J. Just hide or delete the background layer and ready to save. When doing so, use the extensions PNG or TIFF for higher quality. Now your image is ready to be used. I hope you find these tricks useful. Let me know your comments below and thanks for watching.